Google just dropped a brand new AI tool called Nano Banana, and it might completely change AI content creation forever. Today, I'm going to show you some of its most mind-blowing use cases that people are already discovering, and I guarantee you there will be some examples in this video that will surprise you. So, let's get into it. Alright, what exactly is Nano Banana? Nano Banana is Google's latest image generation model, officially known as Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. People are saying that this could potentially replace Photoshop for basic edits. Unlike most AI image generators, this one doesn't just spit out an image. It lets you edit and refine pictures step by step, while keeping the original consistency, which is usually where most AI image generator falls. That in itself makes it one of the most practical AI editor we've seen so far. On top of that, it's already ranked at the top of the LM Marina leaderboard. It's blazing fast and it only costs 3.9 cents per image. One of the biggest headaches for AI storytellers has been character consistency. Your character looks different in every scene. Nano Banana fixes that. You upload one image of your character, describe different situations, and AI will generate new scene with the perfect character consistency. This is a massive breakthrough for AI content creators. If you're a solo game developer, one of the most important and time-consuming tasks is to build up a collection of good-looking character sprite sheets and assets for your game. Well, now you can start with one base character design and prompt it for all the different poses that you need for a game animation, and it gives you entire sprite in seconds. What's really interesting is that the model also has an understanding of the real world. If you upload a Google Map screenshot, point to a location and ask what does this spot look like from the ground view, Nano Banana will generate an actual photo of that exact place. It's shockingly accurate, and it doesn't stop there. You can even transform it into different artistic styles, like isometric game graphics, and convert it into game assets. Nano Banana is also going to incredible for product advertising. You can take a basic product photo and instantly transform it into a polished ad. Whether it's placing the product in a scene, swapping out objects, or making it look studio quality, the results are fast and professional without needing an expensive studio or a designer. This is going to completely lower the barrier for small businesses and creators who want high-quality visuals. One of the most practical features is selective editing. Instead of regenerating the entire image, you can simply paint over the area you want to change, provide your prompt with a reference object, and Nano Banana will seamlessly place the reference image, matching the style and lighting perfectly. This can save designers hours, letting them tweak small details without having to start from scratch. Here's another gem. You don't even need a finished idea if you've got a rough layout in mind. Maybe a quick wireframe, some placeholders, or even a basic reference image. Nano Banana can transform it into a polished scene that matches your vision. For content creators, designers, or marketers, this makes brainstorming and prototyping ideas lightning fast. And if you prefer to hand-draw your ideas, start with even simple outlines or quick doodles, add a reference image for style, and the Nano Banana fills in the details like a professional artist, turning messy outlines into clean and finished artwork. It opens up incredible possibilities for illustrators and cut concept art time from days to minutes. Let's have a look at logos and branding. You can take an existing logo design as inspiration, adjust the text, swap out symbols, or even change the entire style, and you instantly have a clean, professional-looking logo. This opens up fun, creative possibilities for custom branding and making high-quality branding way more accessible than ever. Also, another use case that every creator will love. Nano Banana can generate custom thumbnails that look professional in seconds. You just need to add your image and specify the prompt for the style that you want, and it gives you a professional YouTube thumbnail that would normally cost $100 or more from a professional designer. On the more creative side, you can even mix art styles within the same image. For example, you can tell Nano Banana to make some part of a photo look like a cartoon, while keeping everything else photorealistic. It gives you these really unique and interesting look. This one is honestly one of my favorites because it's just so cool. Nano Banana can actually restore old photos. Just ask it to colorize them and make them look modern and natural. It really has done an exceptional job here. It doesn't just slap random colors. It actually matches skin tones, shadows, and even lighting conditions in a way that feels authentic. It's like giving old memories a second life. And finally, material swaps. Nano Banana has a surprisingly strong understanding of how different materials looks. You can take almost any object and simply describe the material you want, and it will recreate it with textures, reflections, and details that look incredibly realistic. almost like a professional 3D render. Of course, it's not perfect. Sometimes it often didn't follow the prompt exactly and break the consistency. It's highly censored. Trying to generate anything that's not safe according to Google policy is not going to happen. But honestly, what it can do is already insanely powerful. This is just scratching the surface. People are still discovering new tricks with Nano Banana. What I showed you here are only a handful of examples, but the real potential is massive, and it really comes down to how creative you can get. It's available on a bunch of different websites right now. Personally, I've been testing it with Google Gemini and it's free. I'll drop some links down below so you can try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Feel free to use whatever sites that you prefer, and see you later.